Here in this video, we will show you how to know MySQL version from your cPanel account interface. If you would like to know which MySQL version is being used by your hosting provider for your cPanel, then in that case, first of all, log into your cPanel account and then go to server information, which is given on the right hand side. Now from here, you will be able to know which MySQL version is being used. You cannot modify this. This is dependent on your hosting provider. If your PHP scripts are old, or if you require old version of MySQL version, then redserverhost.com is the best option for you, as it provides support for older version of PHP scripts as well.